Okay, so to start off here, I'm going to show you how to insert a video. So if you want to make a video response to your question, what you need to do is you need to go onto your computer's camera and record a video. After your video is recorded, what you're going to do is you're going to press the Insert Video button, and then you're going to look in your Google Drive to find a video. Now I don't have a video of my responses, so what I will do is I'll just click on a video from my science class. So I'll click it, press select, and it will pop up right on the screen. Now if I wanted this to be on the next slide, all I would need to do is press cut and paste, and then I could move it onto my spot. So now I have my video response to my friend's question. If I did not want to do a video response, all I would need to do to type it is click on the thought bubble twice, and then I can type anything that I want to type.